Hello guys, this is Dominic here. Today I'm gonna say I take this video. The video topic is why should I shut down the COVID-19 business? I shut down not only the COVID-19 business, and also I shut down my website sample.com because too noisy, too many quotations here. Okay, let's just say that one by one. Why should I shut down this business? In fact, I doing this business for about let me see, from the February, from the February 1 until now. Today is June. Let me see, June 21, 22. So it's been a long time, about 3 months doing this. It's very, very tired every day. I'm working too long time. The situation now is you see that in United States is over 600,000 people infected with COVID-19, and in Italy, in Germany, in France, in other countries, a lot of people infected. But in these days, the price, all of the price is not low again. It's because the material is very high, the very high price, and there are not so much products in stock. So I don't want to do this kind of business anymore. I sell a lot of things in these 3 months, such as the masks. Just the masks, I sell about 3 different types. One is the flat one. I always wear it. The flat one, the medical surgical 3-ply disposable flat mask, and I sell the folded one, the folded N95 FFP2 to Europe, mostly to Europe, and then to United States, to USA, with the NOSHI standard. And also I sell the let me see, cap one. The cap one is most popular, but it's very hard to get the product in stock because less of factory can make that kind of mask, so the price is extremely high. But I still sell large quantity, but low profit, because it's very hard to do this kind of business. And I also selling the master making machines for the N95 and for the 3-ply disposable medical surgical masks. And I still selling the mask material, the metal broom and the PP. And also I sell the PCT. The PCT, PCR, not the PCT, different detection kit, detection kit for the COVID-19. One is the PCR, and the other is how do you spell that? Colloidal golden method. I forgot how to say that every time I just write that. This I selling not too much because only big company and only the hospital need that. Normally is the government purchase that things. And I also sell the ventilator. For the ventilator, I sell that. It's not too long time. It's about 1 month. When I say this model number, you will know that VG60. You know that, right? VG66, 660S and Shangri-La 510S is all from the Beijing city, and let me see, it's PA 700A and PA 700B, PA 700A and PA 900B is from Nanjing, and also the Mandarin E3, E3. I almost forgot that. Mandarin E3, and the ventilator is very hard to sell, because when we sell it, when we get the money, the price is changing too much. Why should I shut down this business? Let me tell you the reason. The first reason is too many quotations every day from my website and online chatting, such as WhatsApp, WeChat, and Messenger. Too many. And I checked my email box, and I found that every day I need to reply about over 200 email. Just the reply that, and not communication. Just the first email I reply to them, and over 50 people online chat on WhatsApp, or on their WeChat, or on the Viber. A lot of I have other phone, just doing these things, and that's really too tight for that. And normally I get nothing, you see, because not everyone want to buy that. They just ask the price, and just need to get the information. So I think I should close that, because too tight, and this is not the big problem. The big problem, the most big reason is the problem from the supply chain. The problem from the supply chain. Let me tell you, what I want to do is product in stock. Product in stock. And but if you pay us, when the clients pay us, when the clients pay us, we need about 1 day to get the US dollar, and I need another 1 day to transfer that to RMB. Then I use RMB to buy all of these things, the ventilator, the detection kit, or the masks from the suppliers. But only in these 2 or 3 days, the product in stock price is rise too much. Every day. I promise every day. So the price is not stable. And second is, when I make the order for the future product, just like I make an order, 100% payment, TT payment in prepaid. But I want to get a product such as the N95 masks. I ordered from now. I pay the whole money. It should be. I should get the product in the coming 1 month, such as 30 days. It can be shipped. But every time it will last over more months. I checked the reason, and I talked to some familiar manufacturing boss. I talked to them. The reason is not just they don't want to give you. It's just about the profit. When I pay for the mask price, such as is $1 per piece. But when they finish this order, the price for the mask is $3 per piece. It's 3 times you see that the profit. And if they break the deal, they pay you about 0.5 per piece. So what do? It's not you don't need to talk the other thing, but I know almost everyone will break the deal. So that is why I should shut down these things. In too long, the ET days is too long for us. I wait, and the manufacturer told us, and the material they purchase is high, so the price will not be reduced. And this all of this product will delivery by the price. By the express, such as the DHL, FedEx, UPS, the TNT already shut down. So the delivery cost is, I've taken a lot of videos to say these things. The delivery time is extremely slow, and the delivery cost is extremely high. 3 times than before. 3 times than before the price, and the delivery time also 3 times longer than before. That is, when I finish this order, the finish for me is just that I take the money, I purchase the thing. I'm a trading company. I take the money, take the payment, and I purchase that and make the export stuff, and then I send this product send this package to the DHL. Normally to May is the ending, right? And we end this business, but the clients keep contacting me for where is the package now. The most longest order for me is I wait about 30 days, not 13, 30 days, and the product still waiting in the Hong Kong airport, still waiting. Wow, 30 days. That's the DHL. Also the FedEx and the longest is about 20 days waiting. So why should I don't want to do the mask business? The mask it's not heavy, but it's too big. It's too big. For the for delivery, it's not so good. Not like the ventilator. So I want to do the ventilator business in the later times, but also. The ventilator the price is not stable, and it's hard to get the product in stock. And when you get the payment, the price is raised again. Someone said you should take some money to just purchase all of the stuff at first. Yes, I do that, but I cannot do that much. We are a trading company. We do not, such as the people wanted 100 pieces. Ventilator. Do you know how much is it? It's huge. It's very huge, and I don't know how to shut down the risk. This I cannot take that kind of risk. I can maybe 1 or 2, maybe 10 pieces ventilator. I can accept. I can purchase at first before I got the payment. Yes, it's okay. But 100 pieces. No, the order at least is about I guess 200. Also got the small one like 10 pieces. Now we can purchase that at first, and also the national policy is strict than before. Not every company can export these kind of things outside, and I got a lot of warning from the bank. our bank, offline bank. That is because every time I get the payment, such as one day I got three coming payment, but I should refund two of them, all because of the price level. Price is not stable, so I refund. So too many refund, too many money should be paid back. So I got so many warning from the bank. So I don't think this business can be lasted too long time. So I'm gonna shut this business down. Also, I shut down my website. I will upload a new one without this kind of product. This product can bring me a lot of clients and a lot of quotations, but it's hard to control this business, so I shut it down. And I guess I just focus on the farmer equipment, farmer machine, and the farmer engineering. I guess that is my major work. Okay, see you. Well, next video I will show you what will I do in the future for my new website. Okay, if you're interested, wait me. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.